Okay, so this diagram shows the beds that we just talked about. And you can see that the foreset beds are beds that have this angle because they're being built out at each successive depositional event. And those are going to be the coarse particles that fall out of suspension as soon as the river hits the ocean. Underneath those, you're going to have bottom set beds. And the reason those are underneath is because the bottom set beds are composed of fine sediment, and they have traveled well beyond the depositional limit of the foreset beds. But after the bottom set beds are laid, then successive foreset beds are put on top of those as the delta migrates out into the ocean. And then top set beds are beds that are deposited during flooding. So they're on top of foreset beds that get there through flooding events. So the reason we want to know about this is if we are able to drill down in places and find this pattern of beds of alluvial, then we're able to deduce that that area used to at one time be a delta, even if it's not at present time. This leads us to be able to draw conclusions about previous environments and even stuff like global sea rise. So this is just history and us being able to decide what the history of the Earth is based on the rock record.